So hello guys, right, if you wish to learn this awesome, tricky thumb roll combo and finger roll combo, please stay tuned. Right, so this is going to be quite a weird move, especially to explain as well, but I'm going to do the best I can. So you've got the flat of your finger and you've got the back of your finger, right? We're going to be using this on our forefinger, okay? So we're going to concentrate on the flat of our finger facing the camera, okay? Next of all, what you're going to do is you're going to bring this around your back and attempt to get this to wrap, okay? But it's not going to wrap in a finger roll unless you move your finger out, obviously because your hip's in the way, you see. So to get this very, very weird motion, okay, when this goes to wrap around this part, you're going to bring your forefinger out and turn it in towards your body, okay. That will cause the wrap, but we're not yet done, okay, because this is the wrap here. Next of all, you need to learn how to catch it. So once it's finished its last rotation around this finger, when you turn your hand in, you're going to bring these fingers out, okay? And that is going to enable you to catch the nunchuck from this. So in slow motion, it will look like this. It's weird. So guys, this next part here is almost going to be as weird as the upside down forefinger roll. The only difference is when we let this off, okay, it's going to come around in this direction, but we've got our thumb pointed not directly down, but almost in a diagonal manner. So when you pop this finger roll off, you're automatically ready to pop this upside down thumb roll off. But there's a lot of things that can go wrong with this, you see, because if you've got your thumb pointed directly down, it's just going to fall off. So watch. You see, because my thumb was pointed directly down, so it's very important here that you're getting it more in this almost diagonal pattern. So if you were to draw a line with your thumb, it's going to be pointing down there, okay? So we go 1, 2. Right, now from here, now this next part is very simple. We're going to go for this standard neck pass. For those of you that don't really know, you should go back, but I'm going to teach it now. You can have your hand on your face like this, so it's protecting your face from being hit, and you're going to bring this in a very straight motion. That is going to cause this neck pass. Next of all, what you're then going to do is you're going to pull this out and have your thumb pointing up, and this is going to allow you to thumb roll, okay? So if you've got that all in all, that's awesome. So in slow motion, the move will look like this. So I hope this helps you out. I hope you learned something from this. Next week we're going to cover probably another finger roll or a fun technique. So I'll break that down as well. So if you're new here, please do subscribe. Please do support my channel because I'm doing it for free of charge. I don't ask you for anything. So yeah, hope you've enjoyed this, and I'll see you next time, guys.